Hi, this is Casey at Thompson RV in Pendleton, Oregon, and today we are looking at an outdoors RV titanium with the auto leveling system on board. So we have two ways to run it. We can either press the buttons on the inside of the storage compartment, or we can activate it from the touchscreen inside the trailer. For this demonstration, we're going to use the keypad in the front storage compartment. I find this to be convenient, so I backed into my spot, got somewhat level left to right within reason. The auto level system will take the tires all the way off the ground if you're completely unlevel. That's fine, it's intended to carry that weight too, but the more points of contact, the better. So we've backed into our spot. I'll pop the compartment open here, and then we'll reach in here and hit our auto level buttons. To activate the keypad, if it's off, we're gonna press the two buttons together, the up and down arrow at the same time twice. That's going to turn on the auto level system. At this point, I'm going to press auto level and the trailer is going to begin to level. Now, we can go around, we can park our truck, get our drinks and our jackets, and while we're over there getting our stuff from the pickup, the trailer's leveling. First thing that's going to happen is going to set the front stabilizer jacks down on the ground. Once the stabilizer jacks are down on the ground, it is then going to retract the front tongue jack. Once that has been retracted, it will set the rear stabilizer jacks and it will fine tune it from there. Now that the front stabilizer jacks are down on the ground and supporting the weight, the tongue jack is going to retract up. The height where we press auto level is going to be memorized. So when we hit auto hitch, we're ready to hook back up. We can hit auto hitch and back right back into the front of the trailer and get hooked up without having to adjust the tongue jack. The rear stabilizer jacks are down on the ground, and it's going to fine tune it from here. So it's going to hit each individual jack, which have independent motors. It's going to touch down on each individual jack and make sure it has the right pressure before it's done. Once it's done, we can either look at the screen inside the coach, which is going to say auto level success, or we can look at the front compartment again, and that green light up in the front is going to be solid. Once auto level is complete, the green light goes solid, and we're ready to camp. So our second option, aside from that front keypad in our storage compartment, is to use the touchpad inside the trailer. To turn the touchpad on, we're going to press the button down at the bottom, similar to a cell phone, to turn it on. At this point, we could press auto level to level the trailer, or auto hitch to go back to the hitch height where we disconnected from the truck. Now that we're auto leveled, everything's ready to go. If you first backed into your spot and touched auto level in here to level from inside the trailer, you may see that there's a red line going around some portion of this circle. That red line is just indicating that you're low on that side of the trailer. Not a big deal because we're going to hit auto level anyways and it's going to level itself out. Once its auto level is completed, it'll say auto level success on the screen. It's also kind of handy to be able to come in here if you ever have any troubleshooting need to do, or if you'd like to just see what the steps are of the auto level process, it'll display it on the screen and show you exactly what it's doing step by step. If you are doing it from inside the coach, just remember to remain still. Otherwise, if you're moving around, the auto level system will stop and it'll wait for the movement to stop before it restarts again.